Meaning of guesstimate.
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 Guesstimate. Guesstimate is a term that combines the words guess and estimate. It refers to an approximate calculation or prediction made without any accurate or complete data. A guesstimate is often used when an individual wants to come up with a rough estimate of a particular value or quantity. The term is commonly used in informal settings, such as during casual conversations with friends or colleagues. However, it is important to note that guesstimating can lead to inaccurate results since it relies on guesswork rather than precise data and analysis.